Ninis. She thinks I have sweets. She's already gotten pellets and a little little candy stick. Ninis, take it easy. Ninis. Good morning. It is not even 9 o'clock yet. I'm up and I'm on the floor. I don't know why I'm on the floor. Well, I thought I could do this intro with Ninis, but she ran off. She's sitting right there. Anyways, I need to wash my hair. I'm disgusting. I look like a little boy. I have to clean every single morning. She looks so cute. She's eating hay and pooping. So I'm just gonna do my daily stuff. So I guess show my daily cleaning routine that I do every morning. Like, I don't wipe surfaces every morning. I do that maybe like once a week, if even that. So this is just what I do daily for my daily mess, because yesterday I cleaned, obviously, like I said, I clean every day, so it's clean. But then it looks like this again, and that's what it's like to have a rabbit. I have to make my bed and put away stuff, so I don't really have anything to talk about. I don't know what to say. Something might pop up as I'm cleaning, otherwise this would just be a video with music. You know, that's something I struggle with a little bit when I'm filming cleaning videos. What do I say? Because usually I'm just in it. Like, for example, the last video I did where I deep cleaned. No, I didn't deep clean. Oh well, I guess I could be considered deep. That's not my type of deep clean though. My type of deep clean is literally scrubbing every surface. Oh my god, I look like a Karen. Don't burp upside down, by the way. I'm speaking from experience. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is I was in my own world and I talked a little bit sometimes, but for the most part I was quiet. And I guess I don't need to talk every time, all the time, but maybe some videos I want them to be like that, so they're kind of different. But maybe I could answer some questions. So if you could ask me some questions in every video, like in the comments, and I can gather them up and answer them here and there. Oh, anyways, let's get started. Oh, bitch, I almost broke my foot just then. Did you see that? I wanted to show off my fucking slippers that I always wear, my cleaning slippers. God, I'm having issues with my pulse again. I got a little less than a week now until I know my blood sample result. Which, again, if you didn't see my video, I talked about how I struggle. Like, physically, I'm extremely tired, fatigued, my pulse is high, yeah, and that stuff. And I have had no iron in the past, and I had the exact same symptoms. It's just that they're stronger now. So 99% sure it's the iron. I'm actually gonna change this one, so it's not an everyday thing. But we have laundry today, so just imagine this is an everyday thing. My pulse is at 118. See, this is what I said, like in I don't remember which video it was, but in that video I talked about how my pulse went up to 160 when I was making my bed. Now it's not that high as it usually is, but you still feel it, like you feel extremely drained. And what's weird is I go to the gym, and at the gym I can be on the cross trainer, no issue. Speaking of, I'm really sore here. Oh, sorry, I have no idea what I was talking about. I had to close the camera for a little bit. Because I was texting. Actually, I was texting. Hi, Nini. She's licking the floor. Why is she doing? Ninis, stop licking the floor. It's... Oh, she's licking her paw. Never mind, she's not licking the floor. Ninis, let me just come here and then just... Okay. She's laying down. I don't want to walk over there and make her stand up again. Which fucking way is it? Oh, it's right. Ninis. She's laying down grooming herself. Let me see if I have time enough to show you. No, I think she just stood up. Ninis. She was laying right here, grooming herself as she was laying down. Oh my god. She's so cute. Ninis. I love her so much. Where's the other sock? Also, does this not look like a kid sock? Like, look how tiny that is, but it is my sock. And it is an adult sock. I don't know where the other one is. I wore them, like, before this video. I don't know. My breakfast, overnight oats. Usually when I film these, Mimi's is fast asleep and nowhere to be found. But now, since I'm filming this so early, she's still up. I don't think she's liking. I need to. Thank you. She's angry. Nini's. She ran after me. Oh, I think she's going to bed. Good night. Sometimes she sleeps in here though. Not always. Today she's sleeping in her room. I went in the living room. She has her own. I can show you. Ew, I don't look like this. Why do I look like this? She has this and then that one. Oh my god. These fucking. Do you see those spots on the camera? I hate that. She has that. And this behind the couch. Oh, she's in here. She's pooping and eating hay. But she's going to sleep. I need to fill this hay up. Be right back. And then the last thing I do, I change her water. That was my morning cleaning routine. Took me like 20 minutes or something. I'll see you some other time. Tell me in the comments other videos. I do have my other Mish journal channel where I'm posting more personal things. I mean, not personal as in talking more about personal things. I mean more like maybe vlogs, more skincare, clothing, you know, that kind of stuff, like girly stuff. In this video, like I said, if you haven't seen that video, it's gonna focus more on cleaning and that kind of stuff. So if you're girly pop and you want to see that kind of stuff, link in bio. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.